Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to roast this huge squishy marshmallow, yummy, with a candle. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy it. It's kind of weird, but okay. Alright, hold on. Alright, wait. Alright, bye. Well, you'll see me. Okay. Things you will need: a candle, non-scented, a marshmallow, any size, it really doesn't matter, a fork, a lighter. Be careful, kids, don't burn yourselves. Oh. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is light your candle. You're gonna light your candle, yeah, let it like burn for a bit so it like gets really bright like this. I wish you guys could see this. Okay. So I have my candle in this box. Yes, I have a box in my kitchen. And yes, my computer is in my kitchen. Alright, this is going horribly. Okay, so listen to you. Alright, so you got your candle and you got your marshmallow. You're gonna put your marshmallow on the fork, like such. Make sure it doesn't go all the way through. Make sure you have like a little, like you can see the fork bit in here. And fun part, you're gonna like, it's really cool. You get it as close to the fire as you can as possible, and you just spin it around like you're roasting a marshmallow on a campfire. Instead of like, I know some people, they don't have like a huge fireplace and stuff, and like you want to burn marshmallows. Well, you have a candle. I know everyone has candles, so get a candle and just burn it. I like mine like really roasted and burnt and like setting on fire like that. And so you can do any, like, it's really cool. I like doing it. Like, instead of like making a huge fire outside and like hurting nature and such, you can like do it inside, and like it's really fun for the kids. JK. Like I have any. Make sure you blow it out before eating it. I'm gonna peel this off. And roast your marshmallow. Just like in a fireplace. You can, it's really cool. This is one of my favorite activities. Because you have like, when you're cold or something, like yeah, you can do this instead of going outside in the cold. It's like 40 something degrees outside. I get cold in 80-degree weather. Imagine how I feel. Okay. So yeah, this is really fun to do. Try it for yourselves, but don't burn yourselves, please. Make sure you don't get it close to the fork, like such. Also, I was gonna mess up the fork and then you'll get in trouble. Yeah, trust me, I know. And make sure if you're younger than 13, no, 13, no, 12, no, 11, make sure you have like an older sibling or a mom or dad nearby. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my marshmallow, so yeah. Bye. Oh, subscribe. Subscribe. And comment. Bye.